I'm Steph Strickland with GeekWire Studios, here to discuss all things AI. And I'd like to introduce you right now to Homer Wang, who is with product manager for Tableau AI.
It's part of my job to really think about what does it mean for for the people to operate on data. And really there's three things, right? It's the people, it's the data, and it's how they interact. And so if you start with the people, fundamentally these users that we're trying to solve for are becoming more and more businessy, right? These are the people that could be in marketing and sales and finance and HR. They don't interact with data every day. So what data means to them is not necessarily in the form of a visualization or a dashboard, but they think in terms of a couple of numbers or KPIs or what we like to call metrics. And so this is why we start from the people. We look at what they want and enable to build for them.
I do want to ask you specifically about Einstein Copilot and what solutions you see being solved, particularly for businesses as they look to better visualize their data.
Absolutely. I think this is an era, Tableau is known for helping everyone see and understand data. And this is just the next wave, as we've been talking about with Gen AI, right? Where Gen AI is going to make it easy for everyone to really get to the insights, ask questions. I think so far we've seen a lot of our business users, use Pulse, which is our Gen AI solution. This takes it to the next level, where we enable our customers to be more data savvy as well. Individuals who are using the current data exploration experience and ask further questions. And then we bring Copilot as well as the Pulse solutions together. That is one key persona. As we think about the Copilot, it's not just one persona, there are many personas, right?
So Liz Foreman, you work in the medical field, and I want to know how you see both Einstein Copilot and Pulse helping your business better visualize the data it needs to be more successful in its endeavors.
Sure thing. So I have a team of 11 analysts, and we are constantly building Tableau content. The demand for data is growing at our organization, like elsewhere in the healthcare industry. And we're excited about the potential for Tableau Pulse to help users really drill into the metrics that are most important to them. We've got so much content that it's difficult for them to sort of sift through and drill into the thing that is the most important without working for it. So the metrics that people can customize for themselves, that they identify that they want to look at regularly, we think that's really exciting. I'm also really excited to see how AI with Tableau, including Tableau Copilot, will help just interpret the data for people in a more consumer-friendly way, not necessarily needing to be a data analyst to fully interpret everything that they're looking at.
I'd like to get your take on what you've seen here with Einstein Copilot and Pulse specifically.
Sure. Pulse is very exciting for us. We're actually on server right now with migration happening to cloud currently. So I think in the next month or two, we're going to be on cloud. And one of the reasons we're most excited about that is for Tableau Pulse. I think some of the use cases we're super excited about are really kind of getting just some executives quick insights without them having to kind of dig into dashboards all the time. We're really excited about some of the Gen AI stuff that's really brand new to us, and so having a tool like Tableau really support that from the back end and having, freeing us from, building models and that kind of thing is going to be super helpful. We're a lean team, so having Tableau do the work for us there is going to be helpful for sure. Yeah.
What words of advice would you offer for customers wanting to figure out how to develop an AI strategy?
I think in order for our customers to think about, I think there is a lot, governance is going to be key. That's going to be key for our customers. Additionally, I think the accuracy rates, I think expectations around accuracy. Again, Gen AI is nascent, we are on a journey. So those are the two key things that I want our customers to be aware of. And the more we use Copilot, the more our customers engage with Copilot, the more feedback we get. The overall experience is going to improve over time. So I think governance is also going to be key. There are just going to be many dashboards today, like based on all the customer conversations I've had so far. There are multiple dashboards, there are multiple data sources. How do we make sure Copilot or any Gen AI solution is using the right data sources and pulling in the right information to give the right answers to the end users. So those are going to be the key things.
Parveen, it's been an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
I'm Steph Strickland with GeekWire Studios.